Hidden key details in Kubo's interview. Could Gremmy really defeat Yhwach? In the official lore settings, almost every Sternritter possesses Vollständig. Only Gremmy is the exception. You have to understand, once empowered by Vollständig, his imagination and mental tolerance would rise to a new level. Yet, Yhwach never granted him Vollständig. Why is that? It is clear Yhwach actually fears his power greatly. If Gremmy's the visionary ability gets upgraded, he could alter Yhwach's physical form out of nowhere, and even seal or erase him completely. That is precisely why Yhwach not only withheld the standard Vollständig from him, but also kept him under long-term confinement and isolation, intentionally cutting off his connection to the outside world. This directly limited Gremmy's power ceiling, leaving him unable to create anything beyond his own knowledge. It is just like this, trying to imagine a fancy dish out of thin air, yet all you know is bread and canned food, then that is all you can possibly imagine. There are also subtle hints in the plot. Gremmy could not even figure out what donut flavor his friend liked, no matter how hard he tried, because from what he knew, he only thought sweet tasted the best, which perfectly shows how lacking his life experience is. Furthermore, Gremmy's true self is merely a brain, stored inside a container. Before his battle with Kenpachi Zaraki, he had almost no actual combat experience. When it comes to fighting against the strongest warriors, Gremmy has absolutely no experience at all. So no matter how overpowered his ability is, once he faces a true master fighter, his lack of experience will make him vulnerable instantly. No matter how strong Kenpachi is, he could never withstand the cosmic space. Throughout the entire battle, Kenpachi kept countering all of Gremmy's moves. The moment he unleashed the cosmic space, he subconsciously imagined how Kenpachi would break this technique. He foresaw his own defeat with his own thoughts and ultimately had no choice but to accept it. Gremmy was given the same standard setup as other Sternritter and granted a little time to grow. It is no exaggeration to say he would absolutely become a huge threat to Yhwach.